What's up guys, Nestle-CrunchVR here in another video today, and we're going to be just grinding around city and zombies. Let's just see what we can get here.
I have an AK, but I don't want to lose. I have 5 AKs. I don't even I died. You died? I was actually so much better
I
than
died.
you.
Let's go hospital. Oh, kill him. Let's go hospital.
Alright, we might as well go down
Let's
this
go to
way out
hospital
because
next.
not very much out here, so
If I can.
might as well take y'all. I only got 21 ammo, so I'm not counting on the survivors. And then here, explorers. Let's see what we can get. Somehow because of some glitch. It's all over my phone. That's why I was Alright. So back to spawn, I'll put this in my inventory. And I will be talking about a giveaway I will be doing with a purple weapon of y'all's choice. If you wanna do that, all have to do is
Come in.
and you have a chance to
I'm ready.
win the giveaway. All you have to do is
Hey, I lost all my stuff.
get a purple weapon. All you have to do is come back. So,
I'm gonna lose all day.
alright, that'll be the end of the video, and you can win any of these weapons here. If you don't want those, I'm pretty sure you're going to. You can have a key card or whatever.
Do you have some weapons I can
Yes,
use?
that'll be
Because
the end of
I have
this
an
video
AK.
today, and if you want to see more just like this one, comment down below and subscribe. See you later. Nestle-CrunchVR out.